In today's digital world, maps are no longer just pieces of paper. They are intelligent systems that help us analyze, predict, and make better decisions. From tracking urban expansion in cities like Kampala to managing global disasters, Geographic Information Systems, GIS, are transforming the way we understand our world. But what exactly makes GIS work? Let's break down the 5 powerful components that drive every GIS system. 1. Hardware, the physical foundation. Every GIS begins with hardware. This includes computers, servers, GPS receivers, drones, and even satellites. High-performance computers process spatial data, while GPS devices collect accurate field coordinates. Powerful servers store massive geospatial databases, and cloud infrastructure allows real-time data sharing across the globe. Without hardware, GIS would simply remain an idea. Hardware turns spatial analysis into reality. 2. Software, the brain of GIS. If hardware is the body, software is the brain. GIS software allows users to capture, store, analyze, and visualize spatial data. Popular tools like ArcGIS, developed by Esri, and QGIS provide mapping, spatial analysis, and modeling capabilities. These platforms enable users to overlay layers, run geoprocessing tools, perform spatial statistics, and generate maps that tell compelling stories. The software transforms raw coordinates into meaningful insights. 3. Data, the fuel of GIS. Data is the heart of GIS. Without data, even the most powerful system becomes useless. GIS works with 2 main types of data: spatial data and attribute data. Spatial data shows location, points, lines, and polygons representing features like roads, buildings, or rivers. Attribute data describes those features: names, population, land use, or ownership details. Data can be collected from satellites, drones, surveys, government databases, or field observations. High-quality data ensures accurate analysis and reliable results. 4. People, the intelligence behind the system. Technology alone cannot solve problems. Skilled professionals bring GIS to life. Surveyors, geospatial engineers, data analysts, planners, environmental scientists, and decision-makers all interact with GIS systems. They design databases, interpret results, and turn maps into strategic action. In fact, the success of any GIS project depends heavily on the expertise and creativity of the people using it. 5. Methods, the strategy and workflow. Methods define how GIS is used. These include procedures, models, standards, and workflows that guide data collection, analysis, and decision-making. For example, urban planners may use spatial modeling to assess transport efficiency, while environmental scientists may apply buffer analysis to study pollution impact. Well-defined methods ensure consistency, accuracy, and reproducibility in GIS projects. Understanding these 5 components, hardware, software, data, people, and methods, gives you a complete picture of how GIS operates. Whether you're mapping urban growth, analyzing transport networks, managing land records, or responding to disasters, these components work together seamlessly. GIS is not just about making maps. It's about solving real-world problems with spatial intelligence. And as cities grow smarter and data becomes more powerful, GIS continues to shape the future of planning, development, and innovation. Follow, like, and comment for more videos. Let's work smart.